right, everybody, welcome back to another episode of the R.A.D Skatepark check-in. I am Vincent Basile, and like always, Anthony Biondo behind the lens. Today we arrived at the Evergreen Center Skatepark right here in Colonia, New Jersey. This is episode 9, and if you guys are unfamiliar with what we're doing, we're getting inside each and every skate park and we are showing you the features. If you guys have not subbed to the channel, please take the time to do that. We would definitely appreciate the support. And if you guys find the videos helpful, please hit the like button. Please tell a friend and help us grow on our journey. Let's go inside the park right here in Colonia, New Jersey. All right, guys, I just entered the park. I also want to show you another entrance. Depending on where you park will be your entrance. Stair set right here. A 6 set with a built-in Euro gap, and it's got this built-in ride-on hubba, I want to say. And over here, it looks like you have this pyramid with the built-in block ledge right on top of that. And on the other side of that is a handrail. You want to walk over there and get a better look. On top, if you're looking at it, you have some flat ground area, and you also have this little fun box. And I was talking about that handrail, and it's actually a double set. It's a 3 flat 3 with a round handrail. I believe Stone Ranch built this park. And right here we have a fun box that's concaved. It's convexed.
The guy just commented on that video too.
He did comment. It's concaved.
Why?
Because it's like, I'd say it's like slanted inward. Like convex, I feel would be more outward. That's just my analysis.
Okay.
If I'm wrong, I am dumb. All right, guys, behind me today, I'm gonna call it a crescent bowl. What do we properly call this? Comment. Let us know. Would we call it a corner bowl? Quarter bowl? I don't know. Should I know?
You should.
Yeah, you're right. Guys, here's a nice section. I actually don't usually see this feature too often. A-frame manual pad / ledge, and then a curved ledge right here. But unique. I like it. And what are we looking at here?
Nipple.
Yeah, that's the nipple. That's what we usually call it. Behind the nipple, the nip, is a nice, perfect, curved corner section transition area. From like this perspective, you could actually don't have to stick around that perimeter. You could cut through. I mean, not everyone is aware of skate park etiquette as far as letting the next man cook, let him eat, you know what I'm saying? These kids have no idea. Scooter kids don't know, the parents don't know. There is an etiquette to this. You just have to be aware of your surroundings and share turns. Pole jam, flat bar, rock gap, and then you have a kicker to kicker gap, nice little gravel pit, and actually a rock in the middle. Definitely could get creative here. Nice bank right here. Not a full bank, it's a half bank. Built right into it, and then it'll bring you right into this section, almost back around to the beginning point of where we started. Okay, another unique feature, which is really rad. Like, it's got this little wall ride, 1x1 angle right on the top. I guess a little caterpillar run. A-frame with the built-in rail, built right into the center of this park. So you got all types of lanes to go. I showed you the park. And now let's see if we could produce some clips, because I say that every time. Right, Ant? All right, let's do it.
Let's get some clips.
All right. The ground is great. It is, it really is. The ground is great. I think the ground is great.
Some rocks and dirt, but you can clean that up.
Kick them to the side. Whose idea is it to bring rocks into the park though?
Seriously. Ambulance is on the way. Vin just tried to hard flip the double set and he got popsicle.
That's not entirely true.
That's not true at all.
I laid down because I'm done. I'm tired.
Drenched.
I'm drenched.
Cute dog.
That was the only people here today. I put in a little bit of work to show you the park. What is it called? Evergreen? I don't even remember the name of the park. I feel like I've been here forever. Evergreen Center Skate Park, right here in Nicoli.
Colonia.
Where the heck did I come up with Nicoli?
Irregardless.
Regardless, whatever. Let's do it. We're doing it now. Thank you, Spone Ranch, again for building a great park, minus that one slip up. There's a few patches questionable. I keep seeing these holes that are filled in with concrete. I don't know, explain that one. Evergreen Center Skate Park, awesome park, smooth ground. A lot of nice features here. I had a lot of fun. Guys, if you liked the video, please smash that like button. Please don't forget to subscribe. I know you guys have been watching the videos. Check out the Long Island videos. Check out the New York City videos. We've been venturing upstate and we're in New Jersey. Where are we going next? Please check out our website. Help us on our journey, www.radboardsport.co. Check us out on Instagram. We do a lot of posting there. And yeah, I just want to not talk your head off and just drop the BI, just giving you the business. So catch me on the next episode. Don't forget to ride all day.